Makeup is a form of self-expression and a way to enhance one's natural features. It has been used for centuries by both men and women to create a desired look or to mark a special occasion. Today, makeup has evolved into an art form, with endless possibilities and techniques to achieve any desired look. We prepared a few makeup ideas just for you. I like the natural look of makeup. Check this one out. Natural look makeup is a popular trend that involves enhancing one's features in a subtle and effortless way. The aim is to create a fresh-faced look that highlights natural beauty, without looking too heavily made up. The key to achieving this look is to focus on skin preparation and use minimal makeup products. A lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer is used to even out the skin tone, followed by a subtle application of blush, mascara, and a natural lip color. The goal is to enhance one's features while maintaining a fresh and radiant look. Natural look makeup is perfect for everyday wear and can be easily achieved with the right products and techniques. Here is another look. Shimmery and smoky makeup is a popular trend that is perfect for adding a touch of glamour and mystery to any look. A smoky eye is created using dark eyeshadows, usually black or gray, that are blended together to create a soft, smoky effect. Shimmery makeup, on the other hand, adds a touch of sparkle and shine to the eyes, cheeks, and lips. This type of makeup is perfect for special occasions such as weddings, proms, or evening events. By combining the two techniques, a dramatic and sultry look can be achieved, making shimmery and smoky makeup a timeless trend in the world of beauty. Here is another look. Classic everyday brown eye makeup is a timeless look that is perfect for any occasion. The key to achieving this look is to use neutral brown shades that are easy to blend and complement any skin tone. To start, apply a light beige or ivory eyeshadow all over the eyelid to create a base. Next, apply a mid-tone brown eyeshadow to the crease and blend it outwards to create a soft, natural transition. Finish by applying a darker brown shade along the lash line and smudging it outwards for a subtle smoky effect. This look is perfect for work, school, or any casual occasion where you want to look put together and natural. To create a simple eye makeup look, start by applying a neutral base eyeshadow to the entire eyelid using a fluffy brush. Next, use a slightly darker shade to define the crease, blending it outwards with a blending brush. Then, apply a darker shade to the outer corner of the eye and blend it well. Use a small brush to apply the same darker shade along the lower lash line for added definition. Finally, apply mascara to your lashes to complete the look. Remember to blend well between each step for a seamless finish. This simple eye makeup tutorial is perfect for everyday wear and can be easily customized to suit your style. Makeup tutorials are a great way to learn new techniques and stay up to date with the latest trends in the world of beauty. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup enthusiast, there's always something new to discover. By following step-by-step tutorials and experimenting with different products, you can create endless looks that showcase your unique style and personality. Remember, makeup is not about conforming to beauty standards, but rather a form of self-expression that allows you to showcase your creativity and enhance your natural features. So, have fun with makeup, be adventurous, and don't be afraid to try new things. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.